We're here in China the last day out of the 3 days that we took to come and inspect all the machines. All the machines have been running for the past 3 days. We inspect everything is working good. All the machines were inspected by the technicians, myself. We also get to call the customers so they can inspect them remotely, be sure that it's out to their liking and everything is working perfectly. And they can also see exactly what machine they're going to get. This is no surprise. This is your machine. We point it to you, we show it to you, and that's the machine you're getting. So all 8 machines are performing perfectly as we expected. Always we use these times on the trips to do more development and trying to get the better ideas, more functionality for the next generations. So we are ready, almost ready to come out with a second generation, and maybe next year, with a bunch of improvements and making the job much easier for everybody. So everything is looking great here. Tomorrow, between tomorrow and Monday, they're gonna start breaking down every single machine, patting it, packing it very nicely, be sure it's all protected. And next week we're gonna get the containers coming in. They will be loaded, and then they will be taken to the port. And 30 to 45 days, hopefully we should get them back on Miami or US, whichever destination they go to. And then we should be able to start assembling back again, doing another inspection, be sure that everything went well on the trip and nothing broke. And after that, they're gonna go to the customers where we're gonna do all the assembling, installation, and training for each one of them. So I guess the last thing to say for today is we'll see you back in Miami.